Hi class, this is Mrs. Lyons. More stoichiometry. So let's just get started with this problem. It says, how many moles of sodium chloride are produced when 4.8 grams of sodium reacts with excess chlorine? We need a reaction. We've got sodium plus chlorine producing sodium chloride. We balance that. This is the equation we've been using a lot lately. Alright, so let's see how we can set this up. First thing we want to look for is our given. That's always got the number attached. So our given is going to be grams of sodium. Remember, our given is substance A. So we've got 4.8 grams of sodium. What is our unknown? That's what we're looking for. We're going to look for the question word. How many? We've got how many moles of sodium chloride. So we're going to be looking for moles of NaCl, sodium chloride. Let's take a look at our mole map and see what we've got to do for this problem. We start with grams of A. So on our mole map, we're starting right here in the first square. We're finishing with moles of B, so we're finishing up right here. So if we look, that's going to be a two-step problem. So let's set up my truth table with 2 steps. There we go. We always start with our givens, so we start with 4.8 grams of sodium here in the top. Now we have to fill in our units. Always units first. Following the mole map helps us figure out our units. So we're starting with grams of A. In our next step, we need, what's our mole map say? Moles of A. So what is A? A is our given, so this is moles of sodium. And then in our next step, we need, what does the mole map say? The mole map is the best thing. It tells us exactly what we need. It says moles of B. So we're going to write moles. We have to remember, what is B? B is our unknown, so sodium chloride. The next part's easy. We just bring our units down. We bring down grams of sodium, and then we bring down moles of sodium. Or, yes, moles of sodium. Now, we just need some numbers. What do we need to put in when we have moles and grams? That's when we're looking for the molar mass. From the periodic table, remember, 1 mole is equal to, look up sodium on the periodic table, 23 grams. And then what do we need when we have moles of one substance over moles of another substance? Hopefully you said mole ratio. Where do we get the mole ratio? From the coefficients of the balanced chemical equation. So for moles of sodium chloride, we look up here, 2 moles of sodium chloride. Then we look at moles of sodium, 2 moles of sodium. We are going to do the math on this. Let's see, we have 48. I'm going to multiply everything across the top. So 48 times 1 times 2. And then I'm going to divide by the bottom. So I'm going to divide by 23, and then I'm going to divide by 2. That gives me an answer of 2.0, I'm going to round up to 2.09 moles of sodium chloride for my answer. Alright, quick 2-step problem. Hope that helped. See you soon.